So this is my 2018 Toyota Tundra. It's been my daily for the last 6 years, and I've never cleaned anything under the hood. There's a thick layer of dirt and grime covering absolutely everything. With some help from the longtime supporter of the channel, SuperClean, we're going to get this bay nice and shiny. I've got my trusty Harbor Freight electric pressure washer on its lowest adjustable setting, and I'm going to use that to knock off all the loose dirt. I'm coating the whole bay in the foaming version of SuperClean. The foaming formula sticks around long enough for me to get in there and agitate it with a detailing brush to get any of the set grime lifted. With the bay nice and agitated, it's back to the rinse cycle. I grabbed a chamois that's been hanging out in my cabinet for years and dried as much of the engine bay as possible. Now this is my dedicated engine chamois. After getting as much water out as possible, I fired up my horrifically loud Husky air compressor to get the rest of the water out from all the crevasses, taking extra care to blast the water from the electrical connections directly into my eyes. The bay is looking close to new at this point. The last thing I'm going to do is hit the major plastic parts with some trim shine and call it done. I've been putting this off for a while now, but I've got some maintenance and mods that I'd like to do to the truck, and it's so much nicer working in a clean bay. Thank you again to SuperClean for providing the degreaser that's been a solid staple here in the garage. And on that note, I'll see you on the next one.